All right, guys, I'm about to try Sal's bike. His 5,000 watt X Class, 100 amp controller, V2, 55 amp hours of moly cell?
57.2.
57.2. He has the batteries paralleled at the moment. You got the Shark here, got the full frame battery here. So about to test it out.
Do a wheelie.
Do a wheelie. Yo, this light also, I have to mention, this light over here is pretty insane.
Yo, this thing's bright as fuck.
Right.
I love this thing. Oh yeah, the high beams on? Let me see. Oh, that was the high beams.
Damn, man.
Yeah, 4,500 lumens.
Holy cow.
I just scanned through Amazon for like an hour until I found the most amount of lumens that a headlight had.
Wow, that's
and
crazy.
I was like, all right, it's this one.
It looks so nice, dude. All right.
It lights up the night.
Lights up the night. All right, I will be back. I promise I'll be back. Okay.
I don't know if this is fair trade.
I know, right? Oh, wow. It's a little bit higher for me because I know the suspension is has changed.
Yeah, try to sit farther back on the seat.
Oh, okay.
It's better that way.
Right.
Yeah, but it's lifted up a lot.
Lifted up a lot. Oh, shit. All right, I'll be back. Oh. Ooh. All right, let's see. Oh, my gosh. Holy. The acceleration off the rip is crazy. Oh, oh my gosh. I forgot to ask him which one was rear, which one was front. I think left is front. Woo! Damn, your regen is really strong. It's crazy strong. I was like, oh, I don't even need to brake, dude. The acceleration is great. It's insane.
Yo, brakes are a thing of the past.
Right.
They are.
Dude,
you got full control just from the throttle.
Right.
I was thinking about getting the pressure button so that I could coast once again.
Right.
Well, I don't know.
I know people, like, the number one question we're asking, you know, can a 5,000 watt handle the Ariel Rider, the X Class frame? And then what do you have to say to those people that are questioning that?
First of all,
shut the fuck up.
The Grizzly can definitely handle it. That's a hefty ass frame after building one.
Right.
That is a strong frame. But the X Class is also a strong frame, but the dropout is kind of flimsy. You're gonna have to file it a little deeper. And I could feel the wheel popping without, with just one torque arm. Having the other torque arm really helped hold it in place. So I did a double torque arm setup on each side. So I got 4.
Oh, okay.
Let me shine a light for you.
Cool.
Right here.
All right, so what do we got here?
We got the normal one tapped right in, and then another one. We're actually using the arm this time, and I put it in where the brake mounts to. Right.
So it's pretty much, you have two torque arms, and then this one's kind of secured over there.
Yeah, this is just really an extension of the second one.
Right. And it's been holding up well so far?
Yeah, I check on my bolts all the time, and nothing ever gets loose. Everything's been held in place.
Right.
It's taken all the pressure off of the dropout and distributing it, throughout the back part of the frame.
Right.
The upper piping, the lower piping. That's really the whole point, to take a lot of pressure off of the forks themselves.
Right.
But it works out good.
Nice.
I'm content with it. I'd still like to see a better torque arm setup come out.
Right.
Who knows? Maybe I'll make one.
Overall, it seemed pretty stable. It's pretty solid. I didn't feel like any crazy shaking or anything like that. And I pulled it as much as I could. I ran out of real estate, so.
Yeah, too much traffic here in Manhattan right now.
Right, exactly. So, if you guys didn't see his bike in the daylight, this is it right here. It is a completely different bike. This is probably one of the fastest X classes right now. I know, but there's some other people that have gotten the 5,000 watt kit as well, right?
Yeah, but those people are not running this much moly cell.
Right, exactly. A lot higher amperage now. And what was your top speed so far on this?
I hit 70 so far.
Oh, shit.
It's hard to hit though. You know,
Right.
my average speed was 67, but when I hit 70, I was behind a car. They were blocking the wind.
Right,
And
right.
there's a possibility I might have been able to go faster, but given the conditions are everything when it comes down to hitting higher and higher speeds with these setups.
Nice.
We got the new canning kit too. It's a 5,000 watt motor with the 150 amp controller.
Oh, shit.
It's recommended to be tuned down though, so you don't go frying the motor.
Right, exactly. Yeah, this is...
I like how high it's lifted up too.
Right.
It makes it look not like an X-Class, and I like that it looks not like an X-Class.
Exactly. And you got the Maguras here. These are all set up pretty well. I forgot. I was trying to figure out, was this the rear or the front?
Oh yeah, this is the back brake.
Oh, that is the back brake.
I got them swapped.
Okay, you swapped it. All right, back brake and
for the sake of
front
wheelies,
brake.
but I gave up on wheelies.
Right.
I'm not trying to destroy my bike.
And he's using these all-terrain tires. Oh no, these are more so like
they're dual sport.
Dual sport tires.
They're 13 pounds each.
Wow.
But it made a world of difference with the performance.
Right.
World of difference. I went from using some e-bike tires. They were like 5 pounds each.
Right.
From using these, and I can actually go 60 plus miles an hour and feel safe.
Right.
I didn't feel safe with those other tires. That's how big a difference good tires will make.
Yep.
These are tubeless tires. You still got a tube in them, of course.
Right.
But
I think as far like in terms of speed, like the higher speeds you go, you want more stability, so you need the right tire, and I think these work out great. You know.
Oh yeah, these are the best tires I could possibly find on Amazon, in my opinion.
Right. All right, guys. Well, if you want any more information, be sure to visit e-streetbikes.store for all your X-Class, Grizzly, Super 73, Stealth Bomber needs. Sal will hook you up. And his site has actually been redesigned, so it's you know, definitely a lot more new stuff that are on there right now. So be sure to check that out. All right, guys. Take care.
Catch you later.
Peace, y'all.